Greetings from CMCS Health and Medicare Private Limited. Heart valve repair or replacement surgery in India with the best of the Indian cardiology surgeons. Human heart has 4 chambers. The 4 heart chambers have 4 valves to regulate interchamber blood flow. In some people, because of the valve stenosis, that is stiffness, or because of valve regurgitation, that is leaking, functioning of the heart valve is hampered. Depending on functioning of the heart, doctor may decide repair or replacement of the damaged heart valve. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health. Why heart valve repair or replacement surgery are needed? If one or more of these valves are damaged, your cardiology doctor may advise for a heart valve repair or replacement surgery. Generally, it is the aortic or the mitral valve of the heart that require the corrective surgery in adults. What are signs and symptoms of damaged heart valves? Feeling dizzy, chest pain, difficulty in breathing, palpitation, edema, and weight gain due to edema. They are the signs and symptoms of the damaged heart valves. Types of the replacement heart valves. Mechanical valve. Mechanical valves are made of carbon and metal. They are ideal for younger people and for people who have an overactive parathyroid gland. Mechanical heart valve may last for 20 to 30 years and thereby decreases the need for a redo surgery. But mechanical valve increases the risk of a blood clot and patient may need to be on blood thinning medication throughout their life. That exposes them to the increased risk of bleeding. For queries related to heart valve repair or replacement surgery from the best of the Indian heart surgeons, send all your medical report to us on our WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram number, that is +91 9971986258. Types of the replacement heart valve. The biologic or tissue valve. Biologic valves are also called bioprosthetic valve. They are usually made from animal tissues. Biological valve usually last for 10 to 15 years, so the patient may require a replacement surgery later on. Biological or bioprosthetic valve are free from the blood clot, so patients do not require blood thinning medications. It is ideal for elderly and people with kidney disease. For queries related to heart valve repair replacement surgery from the best of the Indian heart surgeons, send your queries on our email ID contact@cmcshealth.com. What are the types of surgery offered in India for heart valve repair or replacement? Both open heart and minimally invasive, even robot-assisted heart surgery are being performed with great success. We are performing annuloplasty, valvuloplasty, and TAVR. Better care with the best of the Indian specialists. For heart valve repair or replacement surgery with the best of the Indian cardiologist, you can send your queries to us on our WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram number, that is +91 9971986258. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health.